light, which is uso de la luce. We don't know the luce already. Uso de la dispositivo acústico, which is the term where you say you fit they use the your horn, your pimping, all those kind of something. Okay. We'll see each other the subject. Then the third one, because it's sphere a symbol. That sphere now just mean the color of the maybe trafficator color. The other one, the symbol see me after the sphere, which is the light and the symbol, you go know the one you be say it on as you decide your motto. That these three things we want you teach today now important thing we be say as we decide our car, we need to know. Maybe you want on your left trafficator, you go on your right one. Now something you go take know. Now the way it reflect and the way it display. Okay, I use that one for example. So now I don't talk the topic, I don't talk what you want to read. For those who not get this book, pay attention. I read that one more time. What will teach today? Uso de la luce. Uso de la dispositivi acoustici. Sphere e simboli. So this 250, so they want to tell us the caratteristiche e uso de la luce. When they say characteristic, me and you know exactly. See, they talk about the character and the use of what? The use of light. The light we talk, not the light with this our ass, now the light we combine to all the motor, both the one with the inner, both the one with the outside, both the one with the side, both the one with the front, and both the one with the back. So now they want display to us how we could they know. Because if we see the follow motor for back, we're supposed to know what that motor mean with the light we they on. Or motor they follow us or back, they're supposed to know the lights where we dey on, wetin those lights mean to them as well. See this side motor supposed to know wetin all those symbol of light mean when they on for inside our motor. As they come put for here, they come out for quiz, but you know the two the many for quiz. The one where they come away when be the abanyante and anabanyante. But that not me say make we not know all this one because for example, the way they do your practical, we don't know the one you be say the vigilante, I mean the vigilante one call be the instructor will come tell us say see the one you will on or see the one you not will on just to test us. So if we know one down, we know if we fall for that kind of trick. So let's go. Luce di posizioni servono a segnalare, which is those lights where they take the position our motor, it serve as to signify something. Now, where that light dey, where they fit write for that first place, so name be that first light where they put for that place, where they write this luce di posizioni, luce abbagliante e di luce di posizioni. We go, as I dey read down, we go dey check the arrow, I go dey zoom am for una. This place so. Check am for here. This light na im we take dey do parking. How we take dey do parking? As you dey drive dey come now, person on this light, e on am like this. E dey back, e still dey front. As you see this light like this, you now go dey slow down because that person dey try to park or that person dey try to comot for inside park or whether na roadside e means to stable that motor or e continue the motor. And the name of that light wey dey show na luce di posizioni, which is the light to take dey position that car so. The other one wey dey that place so wey dey the first one for they call am Proitori PD Nambia, which is the light wey be say we take dey do work for snow because snow time everywhere dey dim. Light wey person go on wey be say you fit dey see well na im be that. Still get the way they still take do am for the motor. All of them get their light. Okay. After that one, they come write another one again. They call say Proitori Anabaniate. That proitori anabaniate so na that one so na be full light wey dem dey give person or the one wey be say as you dey go for road so na the half one so because that one no be the full one, na the other one be the full one. That one so na the one wey be say we dey use for normal movement, take the waka for road, just normal one. For Europe, for Africa, we dey off light, we say short battery, all those kind of things. But the law of Europe, you must on your light as fast as you dey on your motor dey go. You must on am. If you never notice am before, start to dey notice all the motors say they dey on their light as they dey go for afternoon and they dey go for night. That light wey they dey on, so the name of that light na they dey call anabaniate. Okay, and that name they dey call am so. That one, the light no dey too the full wey go come dey affect somebody for eye. But if you dey distance, you go see am. Maybe na because say oyibo eye no be like our old black people wey be say we dey quick dey see wetin dey far than them. Let me carry the on those lights, may just be the attraction of vehicle wey dey your front. As you come for that one, so we call it that indicatore di direzione. That indicatore di direzione so this civic lights wey be say dey talk say I dey go left to, I dey go right to your trafficator. Now they tell us say now that light so na temporary light, na temporary they dey use am, no be say you dey use am always. That means say if you dey go for road, you no dey on am without say you no get something wey fall for road wey you wan stop, you wan carry, or wey you no be say you don cause injustice for road, you dey try to park well, all those kind of things. You no get reason to on am except you wan park. Na for temporary only. Visito anteriormente, that means that place wey dey try to tell us so, they dey try to tell us say e still dey back. Anteriormente, wey dey say anteriori, wetin that one be to us? Anteriori, posteriori. Posteriori, e dey for our front. Anteriori, e dey for our back. Okay. E still tell us say e dey for lateralmente. Lateralmente, that one be the side wey dey still dey tell us say e still dey. Okay. This light, you can find it for those three sides. Left, you can see it for the right too. You can see it for your back. You can see it for your front. E dey very important o. I remember to dey do on that light and trafficator just still unfollow am. Wetin you wan think? Slow down. Make you check. E dey park abi dey enter road. Abi based on say don comot for where for dey park. That light na you go say no. Let's go again. Essere sempre accesa quando la norma richiedono le luci della luce e vanno sempre integrato con i proiettori a luce anabagnate. Okay, now that light so dey take dey position so they dey always dey on that light dey join the full headlight wey be say e dey that place, because that full headlight so that one shine well well. E shine pass the other one wey be say anabagnate. E shine pass that one. Okay. So na that one so na you go still take see am say that person now dey still dey give you light say im dey park. Maybe that person wey be say e no fit dey see am well, you go still see am say that small light e don on join am. This place so na one light inside here abi na two lights? That's what una dey follow up. Okay. I don forget say I don
Na
change the
two
page.
lights.
Okay, na two lights. So I don't forget say teacher say make the page dey finish before una ask question. Okay, na two lights dey inside here. The reason why I dey ask am be say e dey for quiz. They go come bring the question say luce posizioni. They tell you say na to use am with alaba, na to use am if you instead of you to use abbagnate, that is to change am na efaso, because na two light dey inside here. They just tell us say they dey add am join where that full light dey join. Now they make person dey know say for certain distance say motor dey come for our front, and e no dey, e dey sensor abbagliare. Wey dey say sensor abbagliare mean say e no dey block person for eye. E no dey too dey shine make come be say person go come cover eye say wetin be this light too shine. No, that one na just normal light. Na the work wey dey do be that. They dey use am 24 hours. Okay. You fit use am for central city, you fit use am for outside city. Na the other one for quiz, then you no go answer very well. Wey dey tell you say whether you fit use am for center city. No, you no go fit. You fit use one for center city. You no fit use one for center city. Which one you no fit use for center city? The one wey be say dey over reflect for our eye, which is the other one. You no go fit use am. But the one wey dey too dey reflect to call, you go fit use am whether for inside city or outside city. Che il loro fascio luminoso rivolte prevalentemente verso il basso. And that one is talking about when they go on. Non colpisce direttamente i conducenti dei veicoli incrociati. I proiettori anabagnati asimmetrici illuminano in maniera particolare immagine destra della carreggiata. Now they dey try to tell us now say that light so e dey bassa, which is that light e no dey too dey on, and e no dey make the driver come dey like you come dey confuse or based on say you take dey on am for eye. No, no be that kind one, because e no be the anabagnate wey be say e dey shine well well. And particular dey dey for the side, the right hand side wey be say e dey face the carreggiata for the right. When they try to tell us say na there they dey put that luce di abbagnate. Now they dey tell us now say make we avoid attitude. E dey cause pericolo per i veicoli incrociati. When they say incrociati, they talk about say motor wey dey come across. Whether na you dey come across or na another motor dey come across you, if you use anabagnate, if you use am to face the person finish, e fit cause pericolo for the person. So this word wey dey try to tell us now, they no say make we no use am. Teacher tell us one thing say e get the way you go take on am, the way dem take fix am for you. If dem no fix am well, you go come turn to the other one wey be say dey reflect on pipu eye. See when e own first be like dat, dem go dey give am pin 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 pin, gat to go meet mechanic, mechanic come tell am say okay your abanat e don dey error. So wetin make am dey error be say dem no fix am well. Now e come dey shine well well like the one wey be say na the shining one e be. So when dem try to tell us for dis place wey dem for tell us say costituiscano pericolo per i veicoli incrociati che il loro fascia luminoso è diritta verso a bassa, which is their own face suppose to dey face down. E no suppose to dey face direct to the other person. The reason why I dey read am dey go now be say make you know how you take position your own o, so that because dem dey give person multa for it according to teacher. If your light, if dat your light so wey no suppose to dey shine too much, dey shine for pipu eye, and police come across am, dem fit give you multa because you no regulate am well. Okay. And dat time you come dey say na Albaniate I be on abi na Albaniate, you come dey ask yourself the question. E no make sense again. Okay, let's go where dem write dat A put for inside bracket. Poi precio ridurre la visibilità di conducente o abbagliare gli altri utenti. Yes, they are talking about the utenti. Na people dey talk about. We no dey where dem dey. Others people, na dey use am tell me. They tell us now say e go still reduce the vision of driver wey be say dey drive dey come, because e don come talk to abbagliate for there for other people. And before, no be abbagliate you be on o, na anagbaniate. Na because say e no fix am well. E dey quiz. E be like say the question start with errorate, something like that, which is error. If you see am like that, just know say na vero. They tell you say if you no fix am well, the error of fixing it can become abbagliare. Yes, na vero. I no just know as I take read am well for you again, but I know say if you fit remember am for there, who è vero, maybe you no see am again for quiz, wey you go see am for your exam. If you see am say they tell you say errate, which is error, luce anagbaniate, e come go change to luce abbagliare, tell dem say na vero, na true dem dey talk. Na wetin dem dey explain for us for here. Let's go. Avviene in generale per una direzione di carico di passeggeri o bagaglini. Look up on my Facebook. We'll go to the future now. Which is the first aspect of word. Then the other things on they have to explain for that picture. So this my own Facebook. Bagliari. Ok, sujeito. No, avviene in generale per una variazione di carico di passeggeri e o bagagli su veicoli che non ha cambiato la asse. Now, this place, so they like to tell us, say, for general, it dey in different, it dey in various motor, in various way, then they put am for motor, which means the way they fit take build am for Mercedes Benz, no be so they still take build am put for BMW, because why? The model of this one and the other one are different model, and everybody need to design, the way you want to design am. But na the same thing they still dey work. So na the same thing they still dey work. Now we go take know wetin they take am take mean. They tell us now again, say, ritreno per schiacciamento della sospensione. Infatti, poi avventa accesa la luce anagbaniate, se corre il rischio di abbagliare gli altri se fruitori sono regolato troppo alti. Why they see they complain again about that anagbaniate they tell us this? They try to tell us now, say, if we now come on and now, you can't become risk and you can't become abbagliare to other people. Because man can go up because I jumped some place. I just want to make that explanation. Because you don't regulate that troppo arty, because you don't regulate that too much, may face up, and now we like to be say it's not supposed to face up. Se le lampade sono mutato in minera errata. Now that was errata. Now it's more right down. Na right and down error in me. You get it there for quiz. Now just a vero. Se non sono in tipo omologa Anabanyate. They put A-N-N, start that one. Anabanyate, A-N-A. Okay. Why this one? They just start and direct with A-B-B, Abagliate. Now, waiting with a mark at that time. Oh, okay. Hanno un fascio luminoso rivolta prevalentemente in profondità per illuminare la strada a grande distanza davanti a veicoli. That full light now, the time you take the use on a way be say motor not dey your front, wey dey call for Doppler sensor, motor not dey your front, you go dey use am dey on dey go. Then once motor dey your front, you go off am, you come remain the anabanyate o, you come off the abanyate because motor dey come for your front. If you still leave am on, e go come block that motor eye. And if you on your own, him on your own, the other person still on him own, e go cause accident because you know the see road, you know the see road, na two light don pull, na two don pull light to each other. That is why you no fit use am. But na to see distance because the other one no dey see distance, but na him dey see distance. So immediately motor come out for your front for Doppler sensor, you go just off am. Even for sensor on eco sef, you no fit still use am if motor dey your front because you know say that side mirror so e dey reflect to driver eye, inner mirror dey reflect to driver eye. So when you come on your own now, full light now for back of motor now, you dey give that driver full light. And if you no be say you wan overtake or you dey give am warning say accident don happen, all those kind of things, that mean say you dey disturb that driver driving because you dey give am full light for no reason, and e fit still cause accident if that driver no dey see im front well. The only time to use am, they don tell us now say na to see the distance of road, distance of your road, na dey take dey on am. Possono anche essere utilizzati per segnalare luminoso di constituzioni that classroom, that to say okay, you fit still use am to signify like light wey be say you use am take do substitute. Instead of you to on peeping, you come on your full headlight, that person go still understand say you dey give am sign say something dey happen or something wan happen. For instance, some people now, if police don control them for road and police dey road, they wan just help you make you take know say control dey road. As they dey pass you, they go just on their full light 2 times. So you now go come start to dey slow, maybe control fit dey road. Then if you really pay at ten tion well as you dey slow so, before you go really reach some kilometer, you go see police for distance. All depend on you whether you wan come divert o or you wan go meet them according to the way your paper of your motor be. But that person wey give you that full light na form of example, na tell you say danger dey road. So which means that full light na another way to take dey signify another driver say something dey happen or you fit say can overtake. You fit see on your full light wey be say you carry somebody for inside motor wey no well, wey be say dey sick, you dey carry dey go hospital, then you go dey blow your horn dey go. But e no be this topic I sure say e dey, but I just dey remember say e dey for quiz. Now, uso della luce, then central abitati, then wan come tell us now how we take use the light. I wan explain all this light, the one you no understand, then you go ask the question before we come back how we take dey use those light for inside city and outside city, because that one we need to pay at ten tion well for all those one. Wetin dey only just define for us, luce di posizione, because e dey important. Luce di anabanyate, e dey important. That one dey dey use pass, na make I get different definition wey dey take dey use am since. Then luce abanyate, e still dey important. They no dey use am of ten, but they dey use am for distance movement and to just give sign say something dey happen. Substitute am instead of using your pam pam. The first picture wey dey that place now, look where that light dey. I go dey zoom as I dey show una. This first light wey dey our motor, because all of us go get car, we don dey prepare to get car. Dem dey call am proiettori di nebbia. We know wetin be nebbia. Nebbia na dew. So due time, when dew dey, na the light wey you go on during your anabanyate be that. Na it be this first arrow so. The other one come be luce anabanyate, which means due time you need to on this one during am. But without dew, you can on this. With dew, you can on this. With rain, you can on this. Without rain, you can on it. With sun, you can on it because now obligatory for Europe say you must on your anabanyate. It's obligatory. We go again to the next one. The next one could be indicatori di direzione, which is your trafficator. That one dey for every motor. If you dey blink, you suppose to know wetin the person dey talk about. If na the red, if na the two e come on once, e mean say that person dey on that motor because say e stop am for that place. Maybe the motor get problem, or the person just wan quickly collect something for short distance and e no wan maybe say people continue to do pip for am. You go just on the two double trafficator. But the two not the on once. If you see am for quiz, they tell you now say you need to on the two wey you wan trafficate go your either right or left, something like that. You take put the quiz. Na fast o, because the two no be there dey on. Na one dem dey on take dey go left, on the other one take dey go right. But on the two when you stop motor, especially for center of road, so that motor wey dey come for distance, e go know say your two trafficator wey on dey blink, so something dey happen to that motor. Or if na side of road you see put the motor, say something dey happen to you on the two trafficator. They call am double trafficator for English. I no come remember how say they call am for Italy. If na you go see am for inside that question. This one they first tell us before: proiettori abbagliate e luci di posizioni. They tell us now say na the light wey they do posizioni. I no explain like I don explain am before. Okay. Later we go see the color wey dey be. Una no worry, that one dey front. Then all this one I don first explain before. Luce di posizioni, indicazioni. All this one the way first dey. Let's go to the down picture. The down picture now the front they first show us for that side though. How the fly dey be for front. They wan come show us how e dey be for back. Luce di posizioni na im dey up so for this motor so. Then they dey up, then they dey the up pass for back of motor. Then they show us. Luce di arresto, e dey that place. Wetin be arresto? Me and you already know say na stop, which means as im stop so, if he hold brake say e stop, that light dey show. That light go show. You wey dey back, you must know say that person don hold brake. Wetin you go do? You go see hold brake. You go see hold your brake. Even though say you dey far distance, wetin make that person hold brake? Na because either he wan stop or he see danger. So you go apply brake. No be say you don reach where e dey finish before you come see hold brake. If una see dey go slow, say the person say dey hold that brake, you see dey hold your own, so that who dey your back go see dey see am. Na so everybody go take dey hold the brake because of that luce di arresto wey im dey on so. Na brake light. Okay. Indicatori di direzione. That one too, we don't know that one already. Now where that one cause it dey be this. Now yellow it dey be for the back, so the way you see am so. That one so now that one you see take know. Luce di Nebbia, I don't talk about am. Where you see the day, it dey dey for inside where Luce di Albaniate, Anabaniate. It dey put am for inside, and there is still dey. Catadiotro, we dey get am for bicycle. We dey get am for monoparty wey we dey drive dey go for our city, and we dey get am for motor as well. Now, this thing so, if dey your own motor or you own your bicycle wey your bicycle dey for net, on im own, e go just dey reflect. As far say that motor don on, e go just dey reflect. For quiz, they go tell you say na trafficator. No, sister, no, brother, no be trafficator o. Na because say dey just on that motor, that this thing go just be signal for somebody to know say motor e dey that place because im go on. If na machine you still on, im go just still on. Na so you see before that one monoparty wey we dey drive, those of us wey get am before or we still get am. Once you on am, e go still on. The name of that this thing so wey dey display, so they call am catadiotro. So na so e just be. No be trafficator o, but na sign say object dey that place. Mo just put am like that. Proiettori di retromarcia. Okay, now they put another light for there. You see this white light so? If you dey for person back, say if you dey for car back and the white light on like this, e mean say that person wan reverse. All go come dey upon you. Whether you go give am presidenza, or you go quickly overtake am, or you go wait make the person reverse finish, because you don see am say the white light wey dey im back or inside all those lights, that one don on. The reason why they dey bring am for us na make we know am for here in case we don buy our own motor. So if we don buy our motor, we still need to come to this textbook, come spice some kind things, because we no fit remember all of them so they go for road. Okay. They come go back again, they come say Luce della Targa. Targa na be plate number wey all of us know. E dey get im own light, and that light dey shine well well because our plate number need to clean according to quiz. Our light for our plate number need to shine according to quiz. In case you see am for quiz, they tell you now say you need to on your light well, and proper light must shine well for your plate number. Na è vero. They not tell you light, na è vero. Uso della luce nei centri abitati durante la marcia dei veicoli a motori, which is during the time wey you fit take dey ride dey go with motor wey get with any vehicle now wey don get motor. When they say vehicle a motori, e mean say any motor or wey don get engine. Machine now e get engine, but bicycle e no get engine. So we just got to quickly reflect to know wetin they try to talk about when you hear that veicoli a motori. We hear vehicle as senza motori, just to say they talk about wheelbarrow, bicycle, or truck, all those things, or horse where they carry, where they draw motor, they go. All those one are senza and motori. Da mezz'ora dopo il tramonto del sole e a mezz'ora prima del sole scarsa visibilità. Okay. Now, neve, pioggia, nebbia, due, then they put for there. I will cut una the picture, I dey read wetin dey there because we'll jump go the picture. È obbligatorio l'uso della luce di posizione dei proiettori accompagnate della luce della targa e se prescritte della luce di ingobre 24 for road. Okay. The first one they first tell us for that place, so they try to tell us now, say for Central City, whether na before the time go morning time or before the day go dark you must on your lights. So na that one dey tell us for this place, so for this number one picture. So in the night you must on your light. In the morning when you comot, so you go still on your light. Na only Africa we for dey on our off our light because say we dey think say day don break. For Europe you no dey off your light. Which light you wan on? So Anabaniate, you must on that light. So na so e be for Europe. Which time you want to on the light? So they say da mezza ora dopo il tramonto de sole, which is before the sun start to dey show in the morning, so you go on am. Da mezza ora prima del sole sorgeti, you go still on am go reach even the time be say the sun now once e take finish for the evening time, you go still on am. Na all the day they take dey on am. Picture two. Anche i giorni di Galleria e ogni altro casita di casa visibilità. Now the thing tell us say even though say na for the day whether you dey for inside Galleria, we know to be Galleria inside tunnel, whether you dey say for inside tunnel, any case wey be say e dey scarcity wey be say we no dey see well, we go see on am. No be only that time wey be say the same way you on am for morning and night dey talk about, evening you go see on am. Then wetin you need to on again for that number two, so nibia, if nibia dey wetin be nibia that one na be say you no dey see well for due time. Okay, if rain dey fall if snow dey you go still on your luce. And wetin dey tell us na the way dey take dey use am, you go still on am. You no dey off am because rain dey fall, you no dey off am because snow dey fall, you no dey off am because dew dey, you go still on am. Na obligatory. Dey use the luce posizioni and say you go on the proprietary anabagnate because I tell you before say e dey for inside anabagnate, but that one no mean say na bagnate e be. Bagnate get in you. Okay, you go see on your light for your targa. All those things na wey dey tell us since, so they dey add am together. They tell us say na all of them na obligatorio. You no dey off your plate number light, you no dey off your anabagnate, you no dey off your luce di posizioni wey be say you wan take position. Okay. Only the central abitati. Na inside city dey first tell us now, dem wan tell us outside city. Only the central abitati in autostrada e strada extraurbana durante la marcia di veicoli a motori è obbligatorio sai di giorni che di notte. It is a must. Whether na night, whether na evening, whether na morning, whether na afternoon, is a must. The use the luce di posizioni di proiettori fare anabagnate. They tell us now say na must say you must use your anabagnate because if you dey autostrada na busy road, person suppose to dey know say motor dey come. Even though say you no see the color of the motor, the light you no go fit hide am. The light you must see the light. Luce della luce di targa, your light must on. Della luce di ingobre di giorni e con buona visibilità. Now, we don already know wetin dey call ingobre before. They try to tell us now say even though say wey be say your something don block you or you put something don fall for road, you must to see on your light make e dey very good vision, make people for dey see am. That triangle wey dey put for road so e dey get light, no be all of them. You must put light there make person dey see am. Okay. Vittoria Nabanate possono essere sostituiti. That means say you can substitute it, you can change it. You can change it to what? Say il veicolo non dotato della luce di marcia diurno. When they say if the motor not dotato, it means say if they not made am put, if they not construct and put as you take buy am come, that means say you can change it. You can change it, you can substitute it because na wetin they want make e dey on as you dey march dey go for road. Number three picture and number four picture. Number three picture wey dem wan bring for down for us now. They don fit talk am for autostrada say you must on your light. We don see am. Number 4 picture, now they want tell us what the ciclomotor side. So ciclomotor na must say they must honor the way they say they give motor, and they say they give machine. In fact, na machine they even give pass because machine wey dey distance, they no dey quick dey see am. Even though say make they make van, you wey dey side motor, you no quick even dey hear the noise. But na that light you go take see am. Say machine dey my front dey come, or machine dey my back dey come, because the light go enter your screen. Il ciclomotore compresi quadricicli leggere e motoveicoli devono obbligatoriamente fare le luci di posizione e dei fuoritori anabagnate. To tell us again now, say all this motor they call for us now, ciclomotori, including quadricicli leggere, which is the one be say e light. Okay, we might be say light. They tell us say both motorcycle, that's bike, the big bike, say all of them must they use this positioning light, and they must use an abaniate during the time that they waka the go during La Marcha. And can habitat, even though this for inside city, they must they use them. They not also they not be motor, and only motor they give the rules to know. Then must they use them. Anything made they don't on their own bike, on their own quadriciclo, they go for road, they must they use them. Side the journey, the note, whether na night, whether na evening, whether na morning, whether na afternoon, they must use am. The journey combona visibility, which is for a good point of view, make them for the see where they must use am. Proprietarian Nabanate person essere sorti to they still tell us again say you can change it. If you know dey your motor, you can change it because say you need to put am for your motor as you dey waka dey go for road. Ove prescritta la luce devono essere tenuta accesa anche ai veicoli fermo. You need to get am because you need to get the access to your vehicle, even though say where your vehicle don dey off. Una no vex, I no go dey explain the rest again. Na picture we go dey see. That one no hard again. But wetin we dey see for quiz, wey go dey make us dey say vero, fast o, na make I dey explain am for here now. Like you know, see motorcycle oh, you go say fast o, and I suppose to put vero. You go say for exam, you say I no be must for motorcycle. Na must for motorcycle, motori, all of them na must. If not, I'll just talk the picture, I will just go. Okay, tale obbligo non suscite se i veicoli a rosse piamente visibilità delle illuminazioni pubbliche o se vieni collocato fuori della carreggiata. Okay, now, they want let us know now, say, no be obligo for you now to on that your light if you be say you no dey for carreggiata, just to cut am short, no need for me to dey go again. If you know say you no dey for carreggiata, no be obligo for you to on the light. That to say if you don stop, you can off it. But wey be say you dey on movement, na obligo for you to on the light. Okay. Esempio, una impaccaggio tale obbligo sussiste anche se il veicolo si trova sulla corsia di emergenza di autostrada o di una strada extraurbana principale. They just give us the example. Maybe you don't dey for emergency road where we know say e dey. Even na for autostrada or na extraurbana principale, anything make you don already comot for road, no be must again say you go on all those lights. It is well. Now make we go read the question whether they reflect to wetin we dey talk since. Durante la marcia nel centro abitati è obbligatorio tenere accesa la luce anabagnate da mezza ora dopo il tramonto da sole a mezza ora prima da sua sorge. The first question wey I read for that place now, they tell us now, say for that number one, say during the time wey be say you dey drive dey go, na be durante la marcia, during the time be say you dey move dey go, you dey march dey go, nel centro abitati for inside city, obligatorio, they say na must. You must on wetin? You must on your anabagnate before wetin? Before that sun wey be say dey on in the morning come, so you must off am, you must on am. And even after that sun don still comot in the evening, so you go still on your anabagnate. Na must na e be for Europe. That to say the morning time wey you dey move, so before that sun come outside, you don on am. So if the sun don still come outside, don still comot in the evening time, so you go still on am dey go house, or you dey come back for where you dey go, you must to still on am. Just know one thing for there, a must na you must put for brain. If you see am for quiz say no be must, fast o. Number 2, durante la marcia in caso di scarsa visibilità per condizioni atmosferiche, neve, pioggia, nebbia, è obbligatorio tenersi a luce di posizione e quali anabagnate. They tell us now say the time we take dey waka dey go now for the in the case of scarcity. When they say scarcity, we no dey see well again. So whether na rain come dey fall, whether na snow come dey fall o, whether na dew come dey o, they say we must on two light. That two light na luce di posizioni and luce di anabaniate because they dey the same place. We must on the two light. Then they tell us say na obligatorio for you to tenere accesa la luce posizioni e quella anabaniate. Mark am well o. No know question wey come out for your exam day. Na must o. Not say they say make you on two light together, you come go say na fast o. You just see that for there. Atmospheric, which means the condition of the atmosphere. Then they try to tell us if you see and say rain dey fall, dew dey, or you see and say nebia dey, you fit on the two light. Na obligatory, yes, na him. I jump to number 4 because now we go dey jump the question dey go. Number 4. Di notte nei centro abitati i veicoli in sosta a margine della carreggiata poi essere segnalato con la luce di sosta. Luce di sosta na the parking lights. They tell us now say for night, vehicle wey be say you wan park for the right hand side for carreggiata, e must on or e must put the sign, e must put on sign say im dey on with luce di sosta. Because why? For night now, we no dey see well. Now, person wey wan come park well now, na that e light wey e on so, then we want to know say e dey park. The way we dey explain dey come since. If we don't really know the meaning of the light, we no need the driver to stop to tell us say I wan park o, I wan park o. By the light, we don know say na park we dey park, and they don tell us say you must on am if you wan park. Now jump again to the other one, 28003, number 1 again. È obbligatorio accedere il fruitorio anabbagnate a religione quando si transita in Galleria. Okay? They say you must on your anabbagnate, they say na must. Even though say na daytime, when e be say you dey transit for inside tunnel, you must on am. We know say tunnel dey get many lights, so we no come go depend on the light wey inside tunnel. We must still on our anabbagnate. Na im make dem tell us say na obbligatorio. Number 2. È obbligatorio accedere la luce dei veicoli in caso di scarsa visibilità per le condizioni di tempo, nebbia, all those ones, so e no go hard us to know. They say na must say we must on our own lights, okay? Which light they try to tell us? That anabbagnate light, they try to tell us. They know that for there, but you must know what they try to tell us. They say for the time we be say the condition of that tempo, when they say condition the tempo, mean the condition of that very time wey you dey so, rain time, snow time or dew time, you must on the light wey they call luce posizioni, and that light go come join anabbagnate. I hope say we dey understand this question. Because if dem no write down the light name for there, e no mean say you no go know wetin dem talk when you read am for quiz. Number 28004. Durante la marcia fuori della centro abitati è obbligatorio fare uso della luce anabbagnate sia di giorno che di notte. Fuori o, dem no say centro again, fuori. During the time we be say you dey waka for foreign city, na must, that is outside city, you don comot for your city, you dey go for maybe extraurbana principale road, extraurbana secondario, or you dey for autostrada, na fuori go come dey like that, no dey inside city again. Okay. Na must say you must do it, you must use your luce anabbagnate, whether na daytime or na night, you must use it. No be abbagnate dey tell us o, anabbagnate, the one wey be say no be full light. Okay. I jump to number 4 because all the question no hard for that place. Durante la marcia, il caso di fita nevica, which is the time we say you don dey see well because of the wetin they call am snow time wey dey that place. Oltre alle luci anabbagnate, bisogna tenere accesa la luce posteriore per nebbia se il veicolo ne è dotato, if the vehicle get am. Okay. When they say posteriore, wetin be posteriore? Your back. Anteriore, your front. Luce posteriore de nebbia, which means say if e be say this is the fall, snow dey fall, you come on your nebbia light wey dey your back, just for motor dey follow you for back, make dem take know say you on the light. The person wey still dey in your back, im go still on im own. So na must say you must on am. Then they try to tell us, mark that word, posteriore na for the back side, they tell us. Anteriore na for the front side, dem dey talk about. Number 5 before we comot. Fruitori anabbagnate male orientati possono abbagliare gli altri utenti della strada. È vero. When you no on your abanyate well, you come turn to abbagliare. That means say you come dey reflect to people eye. Maybe your mechanic no fix am well, or na your motor na im dey no for fix am well. Maybe you don new buy the motor. Now when you dey pass people, the thing go come dey reflect to their eye like say na abanyate you on. Before no be abanyate you be on o, na abanyate which is the one wey be say you no dey too dey shine before. You come show to no dey too dey shine. You come be say you don cause problem for people eye like that. Police fit control you, they fit give you multa make you go repair your motor and still give you multa say you wan cause accident to other people, especially for Dopia sensor road wey motor dey come opposite of ten before you reach house. Wetin you go mark for that place for this quiz now wey you go take get am? They go say an abanyate male. All of us know wetin be male wey person dey sick or something no good o. Use that one take mark am now. It's evero. Ok, number 3012. Durante la circolazione su strada per rendersi maggiormente visibilità, i motocicli devono tenere accese i proiettori alla bagnate anche di giorni, which is the full day they dey use their own. Okay. During the time we say we dey circulation for road as we dey go now, they don tell us say you need to render very high visibility, which is a vision, very high vision. If e be say na motorcycle na bike you dey ride dey go, and that bike wey you dey ride dey go, e must on an abanyate, even though say na during the daytime, no be only the night time, e must on am. Na dey tell us for that question. Na only him just dey that place. Okay. And bike dey talk about that bike now, wetin cover that bike? Quadricycle e dey inside, ciclomotori e dey inside, because they group them together and this question then cover their theory. Number 28001. Nella autostrada strada extraurbana, which is in autostrada and extraurbana road, è obbligatorio accedere e fare una bagnata anche di giorno o in alternativa la luce di marcia di giorno di uno. Now, they tell us again, say whether you do autostrada or whether you do extraurbana principale road, they say na must for you to own an bagnate. Whether na daytime, you must own am. That one so is simple. I want to jump the question to number 5, number 4. Okay. Poi avendo acceso alla luce bagnate, se corre il rischio di abbagliare gli altri se si lampa, which is the light, sono montato in maniera errata. Mark that word errata, error, or non sono omologata. They try to tell you now again, see, if you on your anabagnate light, so I never want to measure the color because the color dey front. You go see teach that one. So if you on this your anabagnate light, so and you no come on away, na risk then you dey impose on other people. The risk be say it don turn to overlight wey too dey shine to people eye. And if you turn to overlight now, you come make sure you come be say your bulb now, you come be say your bulb no be original bulb again, no be that homologato. Your bulb wey be fair be original, police fit come tell you now say no be original again because you no fix am well. Na error you take fix am and na risk to other driver wey dey come for road. They fit give you sanction, better multa for that thing wey you dey do. Number 5. Se su un veicolo, which is in one vehicle, a motore non è consentito utilizzare la peda non omologata. Those wey dey use to one vehicle which is on one motor, na all motor say try to tell us say any motor wey be say we dey drive dey go, wey don already get engine, e no allow us make we dey use lamp, wey we dey use light wey be say they no recommend. Na that last word dey tell us. So when we see am for quiz, make we remember say this word na è vero su una veicola motore non consentito utilizzare la peda non omologata. È vero. Any motor wey don already get engine, whether na bike, whether na big trailer, whether not be big trailer, whether na bulldozer, as far as e don get engine, any light wey they wan put, there must be recommended light. Try for there, make we go. And this motor now dey show full headlight now. The reason why they show full headlight now be say no motor for in front and no motor dey come for in front. Anything wey make motor dey come for in front, the next thing wey go do na to just off this one, the thing go just go back by itself to an bagnate. because na the abanyate na on. So imagine this kind of full light enter driver eye, how that driver want to drive, e no go fit drive well, because the thing go make the eye dey like say we no we wey dey wet now, if we catch that fire with our eye we dey feel am one kind. So na so e dey be to some people wey be say their eye don reflect to this full light. No be everybody eye o, but e no good for anybody. Okay. Na wetin dem wan tell us, the wetin dey do am, do wetin dey use and dem wan talk. So pay at ten tion. The one wey I fit explain, I explain. The one I no fit explain, we go because of time. Okay. Durante la marcha accesa ai fruitori a luce abbagliate fuori dai centri abitati, quando illuminazioni pubbliche manca o sei insufficiente, peraltro durante le brevi interazioni di marcia. Okay, now if you don dey for foreign habitat, say the light wey dey that place no dim well, e no on well, na that time you fit take on this light. So and once you on this light, you go come dey see far distance, na so you go take dey use the light dey go. Okay, use make I contact comot for there go another place. I don see that time don go far. Sì, because seggenti della circolazione semaforo economicamente necessaria deve essere usato il produttore anabagnate. Okay, now if you dey where semaphore dey, or you dey colonnamente, which is all of us dey for line by line as we dey run, as we dey go for that circulation. So they don tell us now say we no need to on this full light o, we go on our anabagnate, because that time so we dey where many car dey, or we dey for semaphore place, so we no need to on that one. Okay. The use of the criteria reaching up and okay. They want to tell us how we take use that, where would they be say that they forbid the lights? So okay. The normal nel centro abitati comunque di fuori dai casi previsti fuori dei centri abitati, i conducenti devono spegnere i proiettori di profondità. That word sister dey try to explain yesterday say they go fit still call her which name? Proiettori di profondità. Na here e dey so. That word still mean abbagliati. Then you no go fit use am for inside city, because why? That light too dey shine. Just put am for mercy. Na the reason why they say make you off am, make you spegnere, make you off am, because of other drivers. No go fit read all of them. Let's go to picture. No go read question. I no just say we finish use textbook today, leave am to on Monday. So if we dey jump am like this, we come dey miss some wey we suppose to dey pick. So I read the question. I'll explain yes more. I read the question before we close. So we'll start for where we stop for today. Because if I say may I run the way I take run yesterday now, a lot of people know the catch up. Teacher know I take dey do that one, we take dey finish the textbook one day. Okay, I never read that stage, make una no vex. So I wan read am small, make I explain the question because time no dey again. Okay. Procedono no con quale anabagnate. The one we first talk before, na the one wey be say na the full light o. The one we wan talk again na the half light wey e dey. Quando stai per incrociare le altri veicoli o vi è comunque pericolo di abbagliare altri utenti della strada, perdona conducente circolante su altre strade, etc., etc. Now, they try to tell us now, say, as we proceed with this anabagnate, so when e be say we don come across other vehicle and any other the danger, whether na any other danger wey be say the thing go come be abanyate other to other people wey dey that road, whether na person dey pass there, whether na conducente or any other thing wey dey that road, etc., etc. La commutazione della luce va effettuata a una distanza sufficiente. Because of that light, so e dey go very far place, e dey go very far place. Let me get tell us say make we no dey on am like that. If we know say even the one we dey use say e go affect people eye, we need to dim am down, we need to regulate am down, because our light no suppose to become problem to other people. Affianca i veicoli incrociati possono tenere, which is turn, tenere la loro marcia senza pericolo. Okay. You need to use that light wey go take be say e no go be danger to other people. You need to turn that light on wey be say other vehicles so e go dey sufficient for them, e go dey good to them, e go dey well to them. The way you still expect other driver to do it to you, still do it to other people like that. Let me use that word like that. Point number two, quando seguono, which is na you dey write, seguono una veicoli a breve distanza, Salva che l'uso dei proiettori di profondità avvenga gravemente in modo intermittente. Intermittente, I don't know that word. So maybe if we fit ask teacher that one. Per segnalare a veicoli che possiede intenzioni di sorpasso. Now, why you fit still use this word, you use that anabanyate again. Now when e be say motor now dey try make e move and you now dey drive motor just for short distance and e hard for the use wey be say you need to on your profondità. Wetin be profondità? Abaliate. They no come write am for you, they come write profondità, proiettori profondità. Then you need to on am just for small short distance or small time to just notify the person wey dey your front, signify that person say your in ten tion na to overtake am. Na only the time wey be say you fit say take on that light be that. Apart from that time, say you dey for central city, you no go fit do am. È consentito l'uso intermittente dei profondità di fruitori di proprietà, which don dey shine well well, sai di giorni che di notte per dare avvitamento utile a fine di evitare incidente o per segnalare a veicoli che possiede intenzioni di full light. You go fit use am for central city just to let person know say you wan overtake or just to still let person take avoid accident because say the person maybe just wan jump enter your front or the person just wan cross anyhow. You fit still use that light still take make dem still take know. The write am for there say tale uso è consentito anche nel centro abitati. 1 minute.